If you have any of the following 8 health issues, it's best to avoid turmeric. Are you struggling with inflammation, joint pain, or chronic PMS? Turmeric might be the answer to your problems. Also known as golden spice, this incredible ingredient boasts anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer properties, as we often discuss in our videos. But can everyone enjoy its benefits? The answer is no. There are some people who should avoid turmeric. Curious if you might be affected? Keep watching to find out. With its vibrant color and bold flavor, turmeric has earned its place in both culinary and natural medicine. And for good reason, it can be an ally in managing diabetes, high blood pressure, inflammatory pain, and even weight loss. But despite its benefits, turmeric isn't for everyone. That's why you should avoid turmeric if you have these 8 health problems. Watch until the end, because if you belong to the last group, using turmeric could be fatal. 1. Individuals using blood thinners. Those on blood-thinning drugs, such as warfarin, heparin, or aspirin, generally recommended for disorders requiring anticoagulants, should exercise great caution with turmeric. This is so because by preventing clot formation, research studies indicate this yellow spice might affect blood coagulation. Combined with the effects of anticoagulant drugs, this activity can raise bleeding risk, ranging from mild bruising to more major hemorrhages. For example, imagine accidentally cutting yourself while cooking. If you regularly consume turmeric and use anticoagulant medications, the bleeding may take longer to stop, which can be concerning. Moreover, here's an important alert. If you're planning surgery, it's crucial to stop using turmeric at least 2 weeks beforehand. Its anticoagulant properties can increase the risk of excessive bleeding during and after the procedure, hindering recovery. 2. Pregnant women. Turmeric also calls for attention for expecting women. We know that a balanced diet rich in nutrients is essential for the health of both mother and baby. However, excessive turmeric consumption can pose some risks. Studies point to turmeric's ability to induce uterine contractions and menstrual flow, which, in pregnancy, can be harmful. Sometimes, too much use of the spice could raise the likelihood of miscarriage or premature delivery. Moderate use of turmeric in food, like as little amounts when cooking meals, usually does not cause a concern. However, the use of turmeric supplements or consumption in large quantities should be avoided unless recommended by a healthcare professional. 3. People with gallbladder problems. If you have gallbladder problems such as gallstones or cholecystitis, it's important to be mindful of the potential effects of turmeric on your condition. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. While these benefits are appealing, curcumin can also increase bile production. This increase can cause problems for those with existing gallbladder conditions, such as spasms or worsening of existing symptoms like abdominal pain. If this is your case, before consuming turmeric, consult your doctor. They can provide specific guidance for your situation and help determine if using this spice is safe for you. 4. People with kidney problems. Just as we discussed gallstones, the same caution applies to kidney stones. For people with a history of kidney stones or chronic kidney disease, the presence of oxalates in turmeric can pose a significant problem. Oxalates can accumulate in the kidneys, potentially contributing to the formation of stones. This can cause intense pain, bleeding, and even kidney infections. Additionally, turmeric is rich in potassium, a mineral that people with kidney problems may have difficulty absorbing and eliminating from their bloodstream. 5. Diabetics. Another group that needs to be cautious with turmeric is people with diabetes. Turmeric has a proven hypoglycemic effect, meaning it can lower blood sugar levels. While this property can be beneficial for some, it can be dangerous for diabetics, especially those using medication to control their blood sugar. Consuming turmeric in high doses or in conjunction with anti-diabetic drugs like metformin, for example, can lead to hypoglycemia, with symptoms like dizziness, tremors, sweating, confusion, and even fainting. Therefore, caution is advised. It's crucial for diabetics to consult a doctor before including turmeric in their diet and to monitor their glucose levels regularly. 6. Individuals with iron deficiency anemia. Your body needs iron like a car needs fuel. This essential mineral is responsible for carrying oxygen to all your cells, ensuring energy and vitality. But turmeric, that popular golden spice, can act as an obstacle, hindering the absorption of this mineral by the body, which becomes potentially dangerous, especially for individuals with iron deficiency, such as those with iron deficiency anemia. This happens because turmeric contains compounds called polyphenols, which bind to iron, making it less available to the body. Furthermore, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video, turmeric also has anticoagulant properties, meaning it thins the blood. For most people, this can be beneficial, but for those who already have anemia, especially that caused by blood loss, this effect can increase the risk of bleeding. Therefore, if you're taking iron supplements or other medications to treat anemia, turmeric can interact with them, reducing their effectiveness. Liking our video so far? Before we move on, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new, informative video. 7. Digestive issues. While turmeric is often used to treat stomach problems like indigestion, people with gastrointestinal disorders should be cautious about consuming it for several reasons. First, turmeric can irritate the gastrointestinal tract. In some people, it can cause stomach discomfort, nausea, diarrhea, or even worsen symptoms of pre-existing gastrointestinal diseases such as irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, or ulcerative colitis. Additionally, turmeric can increase the production of stomach acid. For people with peptic ulcers or gastroesophageal reflux disease, this can be particularly problematic, aggravating symptoms like heartburn and abdominal pain. Another important point is that many people with gastrointestinal diseases take medications regularly to manage their symptoms. Turmeric can interact with these medications, altering their effectiveness. For example, it can interfere with medications that reduce stomach acid, like proton pump inhibitors. Turmeric can also affect intestinal motility. While it can be beneficial for relieving constipation, it can cause problems in people with conditions that result in accelerated intestinal transit, such as IBS. Finally, in high doses, turmeric can interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients. This can be problematic for people who already have difficulty absorbing nutrients due to a gastrointestinal disease. Given the complexity and variety of effects that turmeric can have on the digestive system, it's essential for people with gastrointestinal disorders to consult a doctor before adding turmeric to their diet or using it as a supplement. 8. For those with turmeric allergies. Just like any food, turmeric can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Symptoms can range from mild to severe, so it's important to be aware. After consuming turmeric, if you suddenly experience itchy, red skin that feels like a sunburn or swelling in your lips and tongue, similar to a bee sting, these are examples of mild allergic reactions to turmeric. However, symptoms can be more severe. Some people may develop hives with raised red welts on the skin accompanied by intense itching. Others may experience allergic rhinitis with a runny nose, sneezing, and nasal congestion. In more extreme cases, turmeric allergy can trigger asthma attacks with shortness of breath and wheezing, or even anaphylactic shock, a severe and potentially life-threatening allergic reaction. If you experience any unusual symptoms after consuming turmeric, such as itching, swelling, hives, rhinitis, asthma, or difficulty breathing, don't hesitate to seek immediate medical attention. The sooner you get diagnosed and treated, the lower the risk of complications. As we've seen in this video, turmeric isn't for everyone. People with certain health conditions, as we've mentioned, need to exercise caution and consult a doctor before including it in their diet, even in small amounts. Now, if you're in the clear to use turmeric, here are some tips to maximize its benefits. First, consult your doctor, who is the best person to determine the ideal dose, considering your health conditions and medications. Moderation is key. as turmeric is a potent spice and excess can cause problems. Remember the saying, the dose makes the poison. Use this spice in powdered or grated form. The powder can be added to foods and drinks like curries, meat seasonings, soups, smoothies, and teas, while the grated fresh root can be incorporated into various recipes. And to boost its effects, here's a golden tip. Combine turmeric with black pepper. Piperine, found in pepper, increases the absorption of curcumin, the main active component of turmeric, making it even more effective. Always pay attention to your body. And if you notice any adverse reactions, such as stomach discomfort, nausea, or diarrhea, discontinue use and seek medical advice. Turmeric is a treasure of natural medicine, but like any remedy, it should be used wisely and in moderation. By following these recommendations, you can enjoy all the benefits of this incredible spice without putting your health at risk. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried turmeric in any different recipes? Do you use it as a spice or supplement? Share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. Let's build a community of knowledge about this powerful spice together. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos. Share it with your friends and family so everyone can use turmeric safely and enjoy its benefits. Have an awesome day and keep healthy, my friends. Bye.